Hey guys, now at this moment we're making a video to tell you we are about to make a playlist with all these sound effects. Now if you came to watch this on the first second that this video came out, it won't be all done yet. But yes, if it is out for y'all, so we're adding this to a playlist. We're gonna do that at the beginning. Then below, there's gonna be some videos with sound effects.
Yeah.
Is going to be the playlist. So, yeah. That's
like
basically
stuff
it.
like a Brian.
Slap O. I like cut G.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Okay. So that's the end of the video.
Cut G.
So bye.